Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject mathematics part 2. In mathematics part 2 we will study next part of chapter 2, parallel lines. Here theorem. The alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. What is given to us? Given line L is parallel to line M. Line N is a transversal. See this figure. In this figure, line L and line M are parallel lines and line L is a transversal. To prove angle D is equal to angle B, this angle D is equal to angle B. Prove angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. This angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. This angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Property of interior angles of parallel lines. If we compare RHS of both statement, here 180 degree, here 180 degree, and therefore RHS is equal and therefore LHS also equal. Here angle AD plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B from 1 and 2. Eliminating angle C, here angle D is equal to angle B. Examples. In a figure, line AB is parallel to CD if angle PMB is equal to 70 degree, then find angle BMN, angle MND and angle AMN. Observe this figure. This line AB and line CD are parallel line and line PQ is a transversal. Solution. First, line AB is parallel to line CD because it is a given. 2. Angle PMB, this angle PMB plus angle BMN, this angle BMN is equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. Therefore 70 degree, we know the measure of this angle PMB, that is given, plus angle BMN is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BMN is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Therefore angle BMN is equal to 110 degree. Statement number 3 here. Angle MND, this angle MND plus angle BMN, this angle BMN is equal to 180 degree. Reason: pairs of interior angles. Angle MND plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle MND is equal to 70 degree. Angle AMN, this angle AMN is equal to angle MND, this angle MND is equal to 70 degree. Pair of alternate angles. In a figure, example number 2, line L is parallel to line M and line N is parallel to line P. Find angle A, angle B and angle C from the given measure of n angles. See this figure. Line L is parallel to line M. this line N is also parallel to line P. Measure of this angle is given. Solution. First, line L is parallel to line M and line N is parallel to line P. This is a given. 2. 45 degree plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. This 45 degree angle plus this is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angles in a linear pair. Therefore, angle X is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. Therefore, angle X is equal to 135 degree. 3. Angle B plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle X is equal to 180 degree. Pair of interior angles. Putting the value of angle X is equal to 135 degree. Angle B plus 135 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle B is equal to 45 degree. Fourth statement, angle A is equal to angle X is equal to 135 degree. This measure of this angle is equal to measure of this angle because pair of alternate angles. This is a pair of alternate angles. Fifth, angle A plus is equal to angle C. This angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 135 degree. Pairs of alternate angles. Thank you for watching this video.